Hello everyone, this is Megha and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be sharing my morning skincare routine with you guys. फर्स्ट अपने फेस को अच्छी तरीके से क्लीन करना बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो हेयर एज अ क्लींजर आई एम यूजिंग द प्लम वन. दिस इज देयर ग्रीन टी पोर क्लेंसिंग वन. दिस इज फाइट अगेंस्ट योर पिंपल, कंट्रोल योर ऑयल विद glycolic acid. So the second step is toner. Here I am using plum green tea alcohol free toner. Third step is serum. Here I am using Dot&Key की 10% niacinamide plus Cica serum. So the fourth one is you have to moisturize your face very well. Here I am using the Dot&Key Cica plus niacinamide oil free moisturizer. Last but not the least, this is the most important step on your skincare routine. This is the sunscreen. Here I am using the Moody Acne Expert niacinamide and green tea sunscreen. Then I am applying my favorite lip balm. You can apply any kind of lip balm. Bye bye guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you guys like my videos then please do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye guys, मिलते हैं next video पे. Enjoy, टाटा.